Kani kadai kadudashan Meghalaya bani pedang sobhai pi barok syakani ketup kubur mentaka janmiat syuban pai syaki kubur ki berbenya nginya pechwai kimat berkongsan. Klat no kat sangut ki beriau Hagaru Hills nak jing shlai bat jing tua kandau ya tu Menteri Ketenat Revenue bat Disaster Management ubat Kermen Shela. Lek kemen keseng BJP ha Meghalaya ya kajing job jong keseng ha ka election ke yang dorbar tau an ha Haryana. Lek jingo UMLA ke North Shillong iba Adelbert Nongrum ya ke Surok ha Maulai Nongmali ringkat bat ki nongelam shnong bat ki officer ka PWD. Pan ke kenam ya ke jinglong kuat bat syai ke rukom kot tender ha ke jela. Bat kentu ke HYC ya ke MHRC dan penyak syakmat ya ke jeng ujua persya ya kulit officer ke penuslah. Ki kubur ki berbenya. Ki don kumba kat sangut ki bria ke bala dukno ela ke jeng im na ke jeng jos slap badangshan Hagaru Hills ke bala wanra ya ke jeng shlai bat ke jeng tua kendau. Menteri Ketenat Revenue and Disaster Management uba Kermen Shela ula pentim. Bagila don kat sangut ki bala klat no bat ki don baro aspa asapun riu tuli ki shnong ki bala syak kata akeleng ki benta jong gejala ha ka jingjur slap ke badang shen ka bala kata ya kumba riu lak san pawai hajar prapulai ngut ki nong shong shnong bat riu spa riu pusan teli ki yengsa. Menteri lapan pau bakani ke jingja na ke jingta ke bo maryang kala long ke bajurtam habaya nujo bak ke jingja ki bakam haswa.
At my tenure, I've seen that this maybe I can say is one of the worst situation that we face in Hagaru Hills region. We have seen flood from time to time. Every year we have witnessed that. But loss of life, this time it rise up to 15 number of loss of life. Total number of village affected is 246 and house damage 347 and 15 life loss, total number of 15. And then we have 6 injured.
Kaseng BJP Meghalaya henden kesengi kala lek kemen nak kebenta ka jing job jong kaseng ha ke elections ke yang darba tau an ha Haryana hanong ba Shillong. Kamashwa ki nong elam jong ke BJP ke la pelong ya ke jing elang bat yakran halo ke election. Presiden ke BJP ha ke jela Rekman Moment ula ong baki don tang kendiat ngut ki nong elam ki bala pet no na kaseng. Bat ki nong elam ki badang don ki dang kershan ye kaseng ha ke jela. Ula ongru baka jing job ha Haryana kan ai mainstream ya ke seng ha ke jela bantrai kambha bat ban job ya ke election house nam ajar arpopra.
You have seen in the news earlier will be in 2020.
Today, mainly why we are gathering here is because our celebration for Haryana, which we have been always hearing that BJP is out of seat, mostly everywhere in election. But this time, God has sent a miracle to our party again. After we are not given for a ticket for the MP election, now we are working hard. Everyone, those who are not real BJP, they are going away from us. Those who are actual BJP, and who is fully supported us and which really wants to build our own party, they are now with us.
UMLA jong ke North Shillong uba Adelbert Nongrum haringkat ki nongelam shnong bat ki officer PWD negasngi kila let khmi e ke surok long round hamaulai nongmali. Ka jing temu jong kene ka jing khmi ke long ban pendep no e ke surok badang sa teng balas dang nadu usnam ahajar khat ar. Haba ai jing crench ke la patai khubor uba Adelbert Nongrum ula ai ke jing ro ya IMLA berim jong North Shillong ikong Roshan Wadri ya ka jing sedang bantau ya kene ke surok. Ula benrap ru ba ka daw jong ka jing sa teng jong kene ke surok ka dei na ka daw jong ka jing bom sngotu jing mut jong ka tenat PWD ba ka tenat forest ka badon ya ka kendon ban hap yo ya ka jing menjur na ka sorkar.
Kamram jonga ko memali kadai Shibanta Ruban penpau ke jing songu khamtam ya I former MLA minister I kong Roshan Warjri I bala long ke jing sedang hak ti por kumno ban penurlong ya ni ka jing temu jenek sorok ban pensuk ya ki nong song kai ka daw ko jing slam kalau nomor ki bun ki prosedur khamtam ya ka baiting ho ka forest bat ka peduli to ka peduli ka khamjem Lega forest part ki bun ki rules and norms ka bang ihap ban ban ka permission ka jing bit mbe tanah port state habia switch port central
working president jong ka khnam iba Thomas Pasa ilapan ya ka jing long khoj bat shai ha ka kom khot tender ha ka jala lapha ya ka dorkas ya ka tanat printing and stationery ka bakado ya ki jing e na ka kom tap tender bom shai na ka benta ban daily lam mi ki marjon Iba pasa ila kentho ba ki jing khot tender ki bom shai ki wanra e ka jing le shilyang ka khnam ka kershan ya ki jing khot tender ki bashai ki ba pentikna ya ka jing le hok ka jing khoj ba ka jing la ban shanya ha ka jing senshar kane ka jing kentu ya ki jing kala kan la ban yada ya ki hok jong ki pat ba bat ai ya ki lat ka ba markat ju shabaro ki nong tap tender
The department has floated a closed tender, and this is where we have objection. Therefore, we have submitted a letter to the director. We have make our demand clear that this tender should be open tender so that the procedure is clear and transparent.
Ka Nyautrap Youth Council ha ka jing pensngo ha khmat ka MHRC hinen ka sngi ka lakentu ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission bagi kwa ban penya shakmat ya ka jing ujo persha ya u George Dakar u belong u second officer in charge jong ka pen Ursula Police Station ka MHRC ka labu ban pelong ya ka jing bishar ka baar ka jong ka ha ka khatsau trik unaiweng ha ka ba ka labatha ya president KHASI riwar mingi circle uba lamprang khonglam ban ai ki sabut persha ya uba Dakar ba mau bat ki reungot ki dekhot jong ka seng ki la sha kta kti ha ka janmiet jong ka apsau trik urempang hapun Ursula Police Station U Presiden KHASI uba Roy Kupar Senrem ulaong baka commission kadai ban penshitom ya uba George Dakar ladakila ban penshisha ba ulale donbor daka bakta akti ya Presiden bagi dekot keseng hakatai katan.
Tihalor kan inquiry report nak kalian kajongi ngila penpau ya kita ba ka commission kam dei ban priang ya kan inquiry report ban nak kalian kajongi ngim priang bat ngila kerpat ya ka commission ba ka dei ban ya cakmat ya ka kies persya yo George Dakar. Kehadian mengila ya keren nak kalian jong ulang perang mentan ulang penpau ko commission ba nak kalian kajong uwa ba ka commission ka dei ban ya cakmat ya kan kam bat lada lap hadian kajing sia mikisaki sabut dei ban pensitom yo George Dakar katkum ki kendon jakaan.
Ka Central Puja Committee jong ka Garo Hills kala pelong ya ka jingle kemen ka ba isyongkun ha ka Sri Sri Durga Puja aja apsau ha Police Parade Ground Tura West Garo Hills u IPS DIG of Police Western Range u Dr Kumar Raghavendra MG uleshim benta ha ka ne ka si kum ukongsan ha ka ne ka jingle kemen la sakhi ya ki cultural program ka jing pen inam ya ki jat jingbam bat ki tiar shna tiar than ki ba penpau ya ka jing reuspa ka riti ka doster hakathan nalo ki nie la samru ya ki jain thmai chi ki brie ki beduk kane ka jing le kemen ka thmu ban pen KM ya ka jing sngo ya jan ha KM lang sa lang bat ka jing brom ya ka kolshor hapdeng ka jing le kemen ya ka Durga Puja Kajing syat dan dia kalong kajing sedang jong kajing le niam Durga Puja haslong kene kajing syat dan dia la pelong haril bong puja mandap hanong ba haslong hene kesengi da kajing syat ba itenat kajing tem ya kajing ruai ba kajing ipu ipieng da kajing penriam tenrai ki long ki benta ki ban pensa ken mau ya kene kajing le kemen ka jing syat ya ka garba ringkat bat ka jing tiet ya ki dieng dandia ka peni ya ka lariti ka tenrai bat ka jing kemen. Man pentikna baka jinglet niam Durga Puja kan long ka bayak bayak renti ketenat pulet hashlong ka lapan kre ya ka jing ai pahara ka babiang. USP ka East KHASI Hills iba Sylvester nong tenger ila ong balapia e ka shlong ha ki khatway benta bat kin donru ya santali ki quick response team jong ka CRPF ki ban mi la don kanu ka jingja. Ula ong ru ba on sabuk ru ya ki pulet ha ki jaka balapan kre ban le niam puja.
We have made a plan, and also we have deployed from today. So in Shillong City, we have divided into 11 sector, and all this 11 sector will be supervised by the encaustic officers, that is DYSP and additional SP. So in these 11 sectors, we have deployed at least 31 encaustic officers. They have held a meeting with the puja in charge and so on to ensure that the puja should go on peaceful and smooth in the East KHASI, especially in the Shillong City.
Hadian ka jingyo jing tip ka batikna ki pulet ka Shillong ne ka sngi ki lakiam ya arngut ki nong di drok. Ki pulet ki lakiam ya kini ki arngut na maulai kat ba ki dangmut banwan sa Shillong bat ki drok ba ki thmu ban die. Ki pulet ki layo ban kurup san program o heroin na kini ki nong die ki badai ki nong Assam la dep ban ujor ejahar persya ya kini.
Arrested two persons. One is Abdul Bukit, and the other one is Sauru Pananda Muanta, and both are from Assam. And from their position, we got 57.51 grams, then 6 also 4 mobiles, then 1 epic card, 1 PAN card, 2 ATMs, and of course 1 driving license.
Nakadaw jong ka jing bom don ka jing kieng ka bapanyasno ya ka shnong nong trao bat ka shnong nong ding sning ka bahap apo ka jaka wa lendo jong ka shnong mau ek ki kena school jong ka ne ka shnong bat kumju ru ki pat ba ha ka jing bom ban se ki hap ban shuya daga kejat ban jam ya ka wa lendo kani ka la penlong ya ki kena school bat ki pat ba ban shem jing e habai dai bat kani ka jing e balamat dagi pat ba ka FKJGP mau ek circle ba lam khmat do president uba Anthony Unyong bat u General Secretary uba Andreas Rentong kilara ya kene kamat bat kila patai khubor bat kentu ya ke sokar bat kibor badai khmi ban shim no mardor kilat kilenti ban penbaha ya ke jingkieng.
Kina kalian jangan ikut keseng, istiqya di kota-kota namarba ya kenika wa habat kam dari arpau lai kau ikana school bawan yang distinction terau mangkasi ya kalau kali nak kalian jangan ikut keseng arpau ya istiqya di kota-kota ba ibu kasih kerpar kau jangan kesokar kan kai kmat hal beri ciking swaba kanjia kanu ka jingsosi kantam ya kini ki kana school
nong seng karkhana wapau bat nong no senyang ke imlang salang ubarat ba uratan tata ulaklat no hinin kemiet ha Mumbai ha Kerta ka ba prapun riu senam ula sya sumar ha ka hospital riu shimet bat udon ha ka jing shitom ka bajur ka sorka Maharashtra ka lapan bena ban pelong ya ka jingle sngosi ka ba shisngi menta ka sngi ha ka jela bat ban pendep ya ka jingle nyam ka bakhadu bat ka jingle burom na ka liang jong ka jela kibre ki ban naki liang ki ba per ki la le burom ya unie u riu krau ha NCPA ha Mumbai ka president ka ri ka Draupadi Murmu u vice president u Jagdeep Dhankar u menteri rangba adu kari Narendra Modi nalor ki wei ki bakentup ya u menteri rangba ka jela u Konrad ki sangma ki la pen pau ya ka jing snolem halo ka jing klatno jong unong seng kam mad u nong le bha ya ki imlang ka sa lang u bapau
I am deeply saddened to learn and hear about the demise of late Ratan Tataji. He was, of course, a very, very well-known figure, not just because of how he transformed the industry, transformed the Tatas, but also for all his philanthropic work, and especially his kindness to people of all statures. And I think that's what he will be remembered most for his kindness and for his humility and for his simplicity.
Ka District Hub for Empowerment of Women Jonkari Bohoi District Kalarake ke International Day of the Girl Child Henegasgi ha IVCS Dihar halo ka Pangpreng Girls Vision for the Future. Deputy Commandant Jonka 6 Battalion u Orville Isak Masar ulalong kum ukongsan hagenegasgi. Aba ajingkran Masar ula banjur lo kajing donkam ban sedang bat ban kentiu ya ki program ajing tip apa dang ki samla ba ban ai mensiam ki kmi ki pa ban kershan ki khun jongki bakini shimbenta. Kani kajing pelio jingmut ka kentup ru ya ki mat ba donkam kum kajing armet kena ba kajing puli putih. Ula banjur ru halo kajing donkam bandon kajing snok ti lang apa dang ki emlang ka saklang ban ya keren halo kini kiman. Hakani ke program lawan bani shimbenta da ki long kmi ki kena ba ki samla na kani ka than.
Program kejungi kami besi. Terima
Shop banyak kali. Ski hoy, ilah nung kerana kiri tambah ski lada ilah. But you are not judging him or her. Tambah kuat sisa bab kita ini ke problem juni. Nanta ka sami ka ski kacing sisa. Maybe ada problem at school. Maybe ada problem here. Maybe ada problem pun kali problem ko bumenta. Teenage pregnancy also kali ko very big issue. So many things are there. No ipi tambah lada kadang open communication. Kadang-kadang dah open communication tungi kong police department ru encourage bit baru man kapor bagi kena samla ke schools bagi man hapo police station.
Mentang ini pay kajing long jiman kesim ning hanong ba shalong kajing kriat kalong khan 0.6 degree Celsius but kajing shit kalong up 0.r degree Celsius kajing sngam gau hau kalong nyopusan nakispa menstep but nyopuan nakispa janmiet kala bandon kajing half slap ba kajing tiat upur that hak babon ki jaka. Syaban pois ke kubo ke bakut jong tutup kubong ni pek biang sa asian ni kini kimat berkongsan. Latno kat sangut kibriu ha Garo Hills na kajing stay bat jing tua kendo yatu Menteri Ketenat Revenue bat disaster management bat Kermen Shela. Lek kemen keseng BJP Meghalaya ya kajing job keseng ha ke election syayong darba Tauan Haryana. Lek jingo MLA ke North Shillong iba Adelbert Nongrum ya ke Surok Hamaulai Nong Mali Ringkat bat ki Nong Elam Shillong bat ki officer ke PWD. Pan ke Kenam ya ke Jinglong Kuwait bat Syai ke Rekom Kot Tender ha ke Jelah. Bat kentu ke HYC ya ke MHRC ban penyak Syakmat ya ke Jing Ujua Persya ya Pulit Officer ke Pun Ursula. Depolok katung ila pois bekut jong tup hubo jing mentega janmiet haduk bang nisham plasai kesengi hagujuk kepo kubli shibuni pi barok.
President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Chief Ministers from the Northeast and others expressed their condolences as the country mourned the demise of the world-renowned businessman. Thousands of admirers also paid their respects to the industry legend and national icon.